The Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 8th of August. I'm James Spann. A soupy air mass, moisture-laden, continues across the state. The weather stays unsettled for the foreseeable future, but at least no heat problems. And Tropical Storm Franklin is inland over the Yucatan Peninsula this morning. Check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view, broad troughing over the eastern part of the nation. No upper air high, no heat bubble. And again, very high precipitable water values. This is the HER valid later today. This is at 4 o'clock. And we do note the air should be a little drier over the Tennessee Valley later today, but certainly for central Alabama, that is just an air mass that can drop a lot of rain in a very short amount of time. This was the radar early this morning at 5:05. A lot of rain across the central and northeastern part of the state. That pretty much tells the story. It's not going to rain all day today, but it could rain at any time. Temperatures are mostly in the 70s, although it's in the upper 60s now for Haleyville, Cullman, and Fort Payne. That's a sign the dew points have come down a little bit to the north across the northern third of the state. Got a flash flood watch over parts of central Mississippi, southeastern Texas. We could very well see one here before the week is over, but we don't have anything today. No organized severe weather. This is the convective outlook for today and tonight. We note that drier air just north of here. But tomorrow, the moisture surges back northward. Day 3, this is Thursday. A marginal risk well to the west of here. Maybe a strong storm, but again, organized severe weather, not the problem. This is the issue, rain. This is the expected rain for the next 7 days. Valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts between 3 and 4 inches for much of the state. Maybe some spots getting a little more. So there you go. Let's check the tropics. We've got Franklin over the Yucatan. We have that little wave that's fighting sheer and dry air between the coast of Africa and the Lesser Antilles. Franklin this morning packing sustained winds of 50 miles an hour. This will come out across the Bay of Campeche. And the question is, does it become the first hurricane of the season? Well, on this outlook, the Hurricane Center says no. But we have seen systems that often display rapid intensification down through there. Very warm water. We'll see. But the second landfall will likely come late tomorrow night or Thursday morning on the Mexican coast, way south of Brownsville, Texas. No threat to the northern Gulf of Mexico. Nothing at all. That little wave out in the Atlantic, I don't know. Don't know if this thing makes it. Most models say no. Only a handful develop it, and the ones that do kind of recurve it. But again, just something to watch for now. But I think there's a pretty fair chance this does not survive. Model fans, let's take a look. The GFS, this is the 06E run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock. Again, broad troughing over the eastern U.S. Surface boundary near the Alabama-Tennessee border. And a number of showers and storms around today. Again, back to that precipitable water chart, this is coming off the HER valid this afternoon at 4 o'clock. And again, you can see how the Tennessee Valley gets into drier air. So if you're in Huntsville or Florence or Scottsboro, you could be rain-free this afternoon, but certainly deep moisture continues, especially along and south of Interstate 20. This is tomorrow, Wednesday. That surface boundary drifts northward, and everybody's back in soupy air, so a number of showers and storms around. That's the deal Thursday, and that's the deal Friday. The sun might peek out at times, but not much. Weather for the weekend's just not going to change. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. Both days scattered to numerous showers and storms. Highs hold in the 80s because of the limited amount of sun. Go to Monday of next week, another surface cold front approaching. I say cold front, a front. And that might, again, increase the number of showers and storms, but every day looks pretty wet. And here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 15th of August. Again, troughing on the East Coast. And this run tries to bring down drier air. If by chance this verifies, the better chance of rain by Tuesday of next week, finally shifting down into South Alabama. We'll see if that holds. This is the end of the forecast period. We go out 10 days here. I don't even like to go out 15 days anymore. This is 10 days out. This is Thursday, the 17th of next week. Got the hottest weather in the country back in the west, again troughing north of us, and that's a soupy air mass, which looks relatively wet. Check it out here. These are the numbers coming off the European. What's missing? 90s. Highs mostly in the 80s and lows mostly in the 70s for the next 15 days. Wow. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.